Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple English with John and Lily. I'm Lily.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. This podcast is a fun way to practice your English, one easy conversation at a time.
And don't worry, we use clear, simple English, so everyone can follow along, even if you're just starting.
So, John, how's your day going?
Pretty good. I had a nice coffee this morning and walked my dog. It's sunny today, so I'm in a good mood. How about you?
I'm great. I finally finished cleaning my room. It took forever. But now it smells like lemons, so I'm happy.
Nice! Clean room, clean mind, right?
Exactly. Okay, today's episode is super useful, especially if you're learning English for travel, school, or work.
Yes. Today we're talking about one of the most important skills in English. How to talk about yourself.
That's right. You meet someone new and they say, "Tell me about yourself." Oh, what do you say?
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to answer with confidence.
We'll give you simple phrases, real examples, and a fun way to practice.
Okay, let's start with the basics. The first thing people usually ask is,
What's your name? Easy. You can say, My name is Lily, or just, I'm Lily.
yes. And you can also say, Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Super simple, right? Okay. Next common question. Where are you from?
You can say, I'm from Brazil, or I come from Vietnam. Let's practice, listeners. Say it out loud. I'm from your country.
Nice. You sound great. Hey, John. Do you remember your first time introducing yourself in English?
Oh, yes. I was super nervous. I said, Hi, John no, I am John.
That's cute. I remember mine too. I was in Japan and I had to introduce myself to the whole class. I said, Hello, my name is Lily. I'm from Canada. I like cats. Everyone laughed because I was holding a cat sticker.
That's perfect, though. Short, simple, and fun. Let's look at some useful vocabulary for talking about yourself. Hometown, the city where you grew up. My hometown is Madrid. Job, your work or occupation. I'm a teacher. Hobby, something you like to do for fun. My hobby is painting. Like, don't like. To talk about your interests. I like pizza. I don't like spiders.
Let's try a full introduction step by step.
Step 1. Name. Hi, my name is John.
Step 2. Country. I'm from England.
Step 3. Hometown. My hometown is Manchester.
Step 4. Job or school. I'm a student, or I work in a cafe.
Step 5. Hobbies or interests. I like reading and watching movies.
Let's put it all together.
Okay, I'll go first. Hi, my name is John. I'm from England. My hometown is Manchester. I'm a student, and I also work part-time in a bookstore. I like reading books, watching football, and listening to music.
Awesome. Now me. Hello, I'm Lily. I come from Canada. My hometown is Toronto. I'm an English teacher, and I love cats, travelling, and eating chocolate. Perfect. Now you listener, can you try?
Say it out loud. Hi, my name is. I'm from. My hometown is. I'm a. I like.
Good job. Really, you're doing great.
Let's ask you some questions. You can pause the episode and answer out loud, okay? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time?
Awesome. Feel free to practice again and again. Repeating helps you remember.
Here are a few tips to sound more natural. Smile when you speak. Even on the phone, people can hear your smile. Use contractions. Say I'm instead of I am. Keep it simple. You don't need big words.
Want to practice more? Here are some prompts. My name is. I live in the. I like. I don't like it. On weekends, I usually.
You can write them down, say them out loud, or even record your voice.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. Today we learned how to introduce ourselves in English. We practiced names, countries, jobs, and hobbies. We gave you tips, a full example, and some practice prompts.
Remember, don't be shy. Talking about yourself is a great way to start a conversation.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Thanks for listening, friends. If you liked this episode, please follow our podcast, leave a review, and share it with someone learning English too.
And don't forget, you can always replay this episode and practice anytime.
We'll see you next time with more fun, simple English.
Until then, stay happy, stay curious, and keep learning.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye-bye.